Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our lesson today 8-6 factoring ax squared plus bx plus c, which is quadratic trinomial. And our objective is to factor trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's go. Now here he asked me to factor those expressions. The first one here. Okay, before you do anything, you have to check the coefficient of the x square. It is 3. Because of that, you cannot do what we did before in 8-5. You have to do now one more step. You have to multiply this guy by this guy, by the constant term. So I will rewrite the equation at all. It was 3x squared plus 16x plus 5. So as I said, you have to multiply this by the constant term. This is the first step. So it will be, okay, it will be like this. Okay, you have to consider it like this. Okay. Okay. Now you can factorize as we learned before. We take the positive 15 and find out what is the factors from it. It is come from 1 multiply 15, positive 15, come from negative 1 multiply negative 15, positive 15. It is come from 3 multiply 5 from the multiplication table, as you know. Positive 15 come from negative 3 multiply negative 5. Okay, but regarding to the mid term here, okay, the sum of the two factors must be positive 16. So here I have positive 16. I said positive 16 or not, I don't remember. So it should be, or it must be positive 16. So 1 plus 15 equal positive 16. And here negative 16. And here positive 8. And here negative 8. Good. So actually I don't need this and this and this. I need this because the midterm is positive 16 and the two factors give me positive 16. You know that? I know you know. So I will write as we learned the same steps. It is x here and x here and positive 1 and and positive 15. Are you happy with that? Let me do something here. You will know why. Not here, actually here. Teacher, so what you did in this lesson, you just multiply the coefficient by the constant term, and we did what we learned before. Is this all? No, my friend. You need one small step. You need one small step. You come back to the coefficient and you take it. Okay, write it beside here. Write it two pieces of the 3. The first 3 actually, I will put it under the 15. Why under the 15, my dear, my teacher? Because okay, let us make it in slow motion again. Are you okay with that? Let's go. Actually, I take one of these 3. It is not 33. It is 3. I write the 3 2 times actually. Okay, I take the first one. and I have to put it under the 15 or under the 1. But actually, or clearly, it is work with the 15. How it is work with the 15? I mean, you can divide it by, it could be divided by 15. I mean, it is one of the factor of 15. 15 divided 3 equal 5. Yes, good. And I'm done from this. 15 divided by 3, it is 5. So erase this and write 5. Again, erase this and write 5. And the second 5, teacher, actually we done, because we done from this, the width or the length here, I take this 3 and put it here as a coefficient of the x. So we done. Okay, if you don't believe me, if you multiply the length by the width, or the two quantity here, 3x by x, it is 3x squared. 3x by positive 5, it is positive 15x. Now positive 1 multiply x equal positive 1x, and positive 1 multiply positive 5, it is equal positive 5. Yes, if you combine the term here, if you combine the term here, it will be 16x. Yes, see, this is the product, and see, it is the same or not? The same or not? Yes, the same. So what we learned here, actually, we learned how to factorize a quadratic trinomial. So what is the difference between this lesson and the previously? Here we have to multiply the coefficient by the coefficient here by the constant term, then we apply what we learned previously, then we have to write the coefficient 2 times and take it one under one factor, and the second one will be a coefficient of x. Okay, my dear student, let us do it more. One more for all. Okay, let us take number 2 here. It is 10q square plus 9q plus 2. I don't like to use q actually, it is confused. Now the first step, as you said, teacher, we multiply this by this, so it will be q square plus 9q plus 20. This is the first step, and I write the coefficient here, 10 and 10. Okay, don't worry about it. Now, as you know, positive 20, it is come from 1 multiply 20, or negative 1 multiply negative 20. Yes, or positive 20, it is come from 2 multiply 10. I know no one of these is out of factors, yes, but I do it for you, my dear student, because I like you, my dear student. Okay, and positive 20, it is come from 4 and 5, and positive 20 also come from negative 4 multiply negative 5. But as you see here, it is a positive, so I don't need the negative, the negative, the negative, or I will slow down. Okay, let us find a sum here. 21, negative 21, 12, negative 12, 4 plus 5, 9, negative 9. Here is positive, here is positive, here is positive. Okay, I need the midterm here. Check. No, 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 no. Till here, no. Yes. So erase them, please. Okay. So where? Continue. Yes, it is here. So I don't need this also. So I open the parentheses and to be ready, and I find out the first Q here and the second Q here, as we did in 8-5, my dear student. I need positive 4 and positive 5. And erase this, and I have 10 here and 10 here. Why you write 10 here and 10 here? As I said to you, you write the coefficient 2 times here. Okay. Why? I will show you why. Okay. Okay. The first 10, it is come. It is work with here or work with here. Actually, it is up to you. Okay. It is up to you. 5 divided 10 is half. And 4 divided 10, it is 2 over 5. So it doesn't matter. If you put it here or here in this case, doesn't matter. Okay, let us do it here. Put it here. Because I put this here, actually there I have, okay. So I'm done from this side. From this dimension or this side, the length or the width, doesn't matter you. And this I have to put it here as the coefficient of the Q. Let me write it correctly, or yes, it is 10 Q, and I close this one. Okay. Are you happy with that? We finished? Yes. Can I write this in simplest form? This one, 5 divided by 10, it is 1 over 2. You can write it like this. Yes. You can use the distributive property, okay, here, and break the parentheses and find it is a correct answer. Okay, my dear student, are you happy with that? Let's do one more for you, and your life will be beautiful and easier, my dear student. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Let us take number 3. Number 3, it is 4w square plus 4w. Actually, every time you did the same steps. Okay, so you have to be good in that. As much you do practices, you will be good more and more. Okay, so the first step, I multiply this by this, and it will be like this: w square plus 4w negative 12. And don't forget to write 4 and 4 here. Okay, now as we learned, the constant term here is negative 12, so negative 12 it is come from. Be careful here. Look. Use your eyes here and take a look here before you find out the factors, my dear student. Okay, now, or ignore it, doesn't matter, it is up to you, but you have to know all the options all the factors that give negative 12. Actually, it is negative 1 multiply 12, or 1 multiply negative 12. You are very, very, very smart. Now, negative 12 also, it is come from negative 3 and 4, or the opposite, 3 and negative 4. Okay? And also, negative 2, 12 come from negative 2 multiply 6, or the opposite, 6 or 2 multiply negative 6. If you find the sum for all here, it is 11, it is negative 11, it is 1, it is negative 1, it is 4, it is negative 4. But what I looking for? Positive 4 here. So this not work, not work, not work, not work. But here it is work. Yes. So I'm so happy. So delete all the factors here. I don't need them because they don't help me. And keep the factors. The first I will draw like this and this and this and this, and the factors is negative 2 and 6. So I will write the W here and the W here, and bring this guy here and this guy here. Here, you know, it is positive 6, so you don't hesitate to write positive. Now I come here, I take the first 4, it is work here or here, doesn't matter. But if you put 1 here down, you have to put 1 as a coefficient. Okay? Okay, my dear student? But actually, I will switch them, and both of the solution is correct. I will put it here to have half, and this guy, I will put it here. Okay, now it is 2 over 4, and this is equal 1 over 2. You know that. I know you know. This is 1 over 2, and this is the solution. Are you happy, my dear student? Me too.